Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Devices Analysis. So guys, from today we will start a new topic of discussion, and that is transistors. The subtopic is we will see in this lecture the introduction, the types, the symbol and the classification of the transistor. So guys, first of all we see that what is a transistor. Mainly a transistor is three terminal device, and the device is electronic device. Transistor will be a three terminal device, and also the transistor will be used as an amplifier and as a switch. Amplifier means if a transistor circuit, if you apply input signal to the transistor circuit, then it will convert it into a large signal, because the transistor circuit has a gain. If you multiply the input signal with its gain, then it will be converted into a large signal. This will be also used in loudspeakers and many more. And it will be also used as a switch. The high logic or low logic, high logic, low logic, high logic means 1, low logic means 0. It will be also used as a switch. Now we will see that what are the types of the transistor. Types of the transistor. The transistor has two types. The two types are bipolar junction transistors, and second one is field effect transistors. Field effect transistors, FET, and this one will be BJT. So now we will see that what will be the classification of transistor. So the classification is that it has two types, BJT and FET. BJT means bipolar junction transistor and FET means field effect transistors. BJT has furthermore two types, and this will be NPN transistor, and other one is PNP transistor. And FET has furthermore classifications. FET has two types, MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, and another type is JFET. JFET means junction field effect, and this will be metal oxide semiconductor FET. So the MOSFET, the metal oxide semiconductor, has furthermore two types. The two types are DMOSFET and EMOSFET. DMOSFET means depletion type MOSFET, and EMOSFET means enhancement type MOSFET. Enhancement MOSFET, where the JFET will be taken. JFET has two types, N-channel JFET or P-channel JFET. The DMOSFET has also two types, N-channel DMOSFET or P-channel DMOSFET, and also enhancement type MOSFET has two types, N-channel enhancement type MOSFET and P-channel enhancement type MOSFET. These are all the classifications of the transistor. Here we will see that what will be the symbol of the transistor. We will see symbol of the transistor. The transistor symbol in case of BJT is like this, where this branch is called collector, this will be base branch, and this will be the emitter branch. So this will be the NPN transistor. In case of PNP transistor, this arrow will points to this boundary, so this will be a PNP transistor and the terminals are same. This is in case of BJT. And as you already know that FET has two types, the JFET, the MOSFET. The JFET symbol is look like this, that it has three terminals and the three terminals name as gate, drain and source. If this arrow is pointed to this, then this will be the N channel, and it has another symbol if it will be a P channel, and here the arrow will not point it to this boundary, so this will be a gate, drain and source points. And the MOSFET has two types, the D MOSFET and the E MOSFET. So the main MOSFET symbol is look like this, where it will be look like this as D, and this will be look like this. So this will be the symbol of the MOSFET, and in case of D MOSFET, this symbol will be recognized as a D MOSFET. This will be also for the D MOSFET. And for the E MOSFET, this line is broke down. This will be drain, gate and the source. So guys, we will see the types, the intro, the symbol and the classification of the transistor in this lecture. So guys, if you have any questions, you may ask in the comment section.